Hello, good morning po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? I hope you are enjoying our training. Kamusta sa Alpha Clusters? Kamusta ang Beta? And kamusta ang Charlie Clusters? Kamusta po ang kayong lahat? I hope masaya po kayo ngayong gabi na to because we are now on the 5th day of our level 3 online training. We are maximizing gratitude right now, guys. So I hope you are all blessed for tonight and I hope lahat kayo na-absorb, lahat kayo nakaka-relate sa mga pinag-uusapan natin. And I hope you are all happy tonight. And actually hindi po ako nagre-reply sa mga o hindi ako masyado participate sa mga usapan niyo sa chatroom, sa inyong mga cluster chatroom because I don't want to ruin your day. As much as possible, I don't want to give my influence on our subject matter or on our topic para mas ma-internalize niyo po. Okay. May nabasa rin ako na yung boses. Huwag niyo pong masyadong pansinin yung boses. Ang gawin nyo po ay mag-focus po kayo dun sa nilalaman ng sinasabi ko. Okay ba, guys? So, are you blessed for today, guys? Blessed ba kayo? Nakita nyo ba yung inyong 10 blessings for today? Now, guys, hindi ka naman po kasi malulungkot pag nakita mo yung blessing mo, di ba? Hindi ka mawawalan ng bagay na dapat ipagpasalamat kasi when you see yourself, you will see that hindi ka po api, di ba? Hindi ikaw yung pinakakawawang tao sa mundo, hindi ikaw yung pinakamahirap na trabaho, as well as hindi po ikaw yung pinakamaliit na sweldo. Tama ba, guys? So, ang point ko po, guys, pag nakita mo po yung iyong sarili, hindi lamang mo nanaisin na magpasalamat sa kanya kasi matatouch mo pa yung sarili mo, mapipin mo yung feeling na ang swerte-swerte mo pala kasi meron kang kinakain 3 times a day. Ang swerte-swerte mo pala kasi hindi basag ang iyong mukha. Ang swerte-swerte mo pala kasi meron ka pong sinasweldo. If you would like to be happy, sabi nga ng song, if you want to be happy, you look yourself in a perspective na ikumpara mo yung sarili sa mga bagay na mas kokonti ang meron sa'yo. If you want to be happy, ihambing mo yung sarili mo sa mga tao na walang-wala. And you will see your smile. Ba? And you will see that your day will be brightened. Pero pag kinumpara mo yung sarili mo, pag kinumpara mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na wala ka, sa mga bagay na kulang ka, sa mga bagay na mas marami yung iba kaysa sa'yo, doon na po nagsisimulang magkaroon at lumabas yung mga problema. Kasi in that way, you are now counting your troubles instead of your blessings. So guys, in order for us to be happy, okay, sabi nga ni Pharrell Williams, in order for us to be happy, kinakailangan nga pong bilangin yung mga pagpapala mo, bilangin mo yung mga blessings. Bilangin mo yung mga bagay na ibinigay sa'yo. The mere fact na gumising ka ngayong araw na to at the mere fact na nakikinig ka po sa akin ngayon, that's a blessing you have to thank for. Tama ba, guys? The mere fact na ikaw po ay humihinga, it also means na you are blessed. Tama ba? So kaya nga, guys, kung ikaw ay nalulungkot, alam niyo yung lumang-lumang song na to, elementary pa lang po ako narinig ko na tong song na to. Sabi niya, kung ikaw ay nalulungkot, 'di ba? Kung ikaw ay ano tawag doon, mabigat ang iyong kalooban, 'di ba? So isipin mo lang daw yung mga blessings na meron ka. And you will be happy. You will see yourself that you are so blessed. That's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know Okay, last night po or last day, last lesson, ang ating topic is about counting your blessings, and all of you are shown how to do magical practice number 1. Ito po yung isa sa pinaka-importanting magical practice, because pag nabilang mo pa lang po or pag nagawa mo to or na-master mo yung magical practice number 1, madali na yung mga susunod na practice. Okay, madali na yung susunod na MP. So ngayon po, kayo ay nakakaisang MP na, and we still have 27 more MPs to go. I'm sure, excited na kayong malaman kung ano ang magical practice number 2. So kung excited ka na pong malaman kung anong magical practice number 2, let's start after the song.
If you feel like a room without a roof, clap along. If you feel like happiness is the truth, clap along. If you know what happiness is, clap along. If you feel like that's what you want to do.
Alright guys, this is your magical practice number 2. Okay, your magical practice number 2 is something you have to go out from your room, something na kailangan mong lumabas ng room mo, lumabas ng bahay, or pumunta sa park. Basta, this is a physical practice that you have to do within 12 hours. Okay? Sa loob ng 12 hours, after mong mapakinggan itong magical practice number 2, dapat magawa mo to, dapat mahanap mo siya, dapat matagpuan mo siya. Okay ba guys? Okay, umpisahan na natin. Okay, if you know, isa po sa favorite writer ko si Charles Dickens. Okay, si Charles Dickens po ang sumulat ng Moby Dick. Okay, yung sikat na Moby Dick. Okay, si Charles Dickens po ay isa sa pinakasikat na American writer and fictional writer. Sabi po ni Charles Dickens, ito yung quotation or ito yung kasabihan ni Charles Dickens na gustong-gusto ko pong laging inaalala. Sabi ni Charles Dickens, reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your own past misfortunes, of which all men have some. Ulitin ko po, sabi ni Charles Dickens, reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on your own past misfortunes, of which all men have some. Okay? So, ang point po ni Charles Dickens doon, if you want to become happy, okay, if you want to become joyful every day, mag-reflect ka daw or titigan mo, baliktanawan mo yung mga present blessings na nare-receive mo sa kasalukuyan. Okay? Dahil marami po ito, in fact, sobrang dami. Ilan sa inyo yung bumilang sa inyong counting blessings na halos hindi magsapat yung 10, more than 10, ilan sa inyo ang naka-20 binilang kahapon? Ilan na naka-50? Maybe ilan na naka-100? Diba? Kung bibilangin mo lahat, sobrang dami. Kaya if you want to become happy, you have to reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty. Huwag po dun sa mga bagay na sumablay ka, huwag dun sa mga bagay na nagkamali ka, huwag dun sa mga bagay na nadapa ka. Okay? Which, merong mangilan-ilan na sumasablay. May mga pagkakataong sumasablay ka, nadadapa ka, huwag daw po iyon ang iyong balikan. Rather, reflect on your present blessings, of which every man has plenty. And our magical practice number 2 is about something that you will be going to find out sa labas ng room mo or sa labas ng bahay mo. Matatagpuan ito sa park, pwede rin po siyang sa dagat, pwede rin po siyang sa bundok, or maybe meron siya sa loob ng kwarto mo or sa CR mo. Okay? So, ano kaya itong magical practice number 2 na ito? Excited ka na bang malaman? Now guys, we are now on day 5 of our level 3 training. And I would like to ask you, ano po ba yung pakiramdam na malaman mo na ikaw ay isang tao na ipinanganak na sobrang blessed at pinagpapala pala. Despite of many shortcomings in your life, despite of many failures that you have been, or despite of many things na na-experience mo sa buhay mo, yet pag tiningnan mo po yung sarili mo sa salamin, mula ulo hanggang paa, pag tiningnan mo, sasabihin mo, thank you Lord, because napakabait mo pala sa akin. Ano po yung pakiramdam na malaman mo na you are truly blessed? Masarap, di ba? Iba ba yung feeling? Yes, kakaiba. You feel like awesomeness, di ba? You feel like, parang sabihin mo, mapapabuntong hininga ka, mapapakikilabutan ka, and then eventually, you will feel something that you have never felt before. Okay. Guys, in the beginning of working with these practices, yung MP number 1, it takes concentrated days in a row to make gratitude a habit. Okay? In order for you, all of you, para ma-master yung awesome power of gratitude, kinakailangan maging habit siya. And according to many psychologists and to many researchers na mga sikat na scientifico at mga doctors, ang isang bagay daw para ma-turn mo siya from something into being a habit, kinakailangan ginagawa mo siya with at least 15 consecutive days, walang patlang, tuloy-tuloy. Okay? And the only way for you to maximize the awesome power of gratitude and to possess the awesome power of gratitude is that you have to practice these magical practices for 15 days in a row nang walang pagitan, nang walang patlang, nang walang baktaw. Pag nagawa mo po yon in 15 days, it will turn into a habit. Okay? Anything that reminds you to be grateful is helping you to turn your life into gold with gratitude. And that's exactly what this magical practice today is all about. Okay? Kung napanood nyo po yung motivational film, I'm sure many of you have watched this film already. Kung napanood nyo po yung film na The Secret ni Lee Brower, Lee Brower presented a gratitude rock. Okay? Meron siyang ipinakitang gratitude rock. Okay? Si Lee Brower po, kung napanood mo po yung movie niya or yung film, inspirational film na The Secret, meron siyang ipinakita doon na gratitude rock. Okay? Sabi ni Lee Brower, yung gratitude rock na ipinakita niya ron, it has made people realize their dreams to come true. Okay? Doon sa gratitude rock niya na ipinakita na yon, okay, meron daw kasing isang ama, bigyan ko po kayo ng konting background doon sa gratitude rock na yon. Merong isang ama na may anak na malapit na pong mamatay. Okay? Ang ginawa ng tatay, naghanap siya ng isang bato or gratitude rock at ginamit niya ito to remind himself to be grateful for his son's health, and his son made a miraculous recovery. Ang ginawa ng tatay nung nasa terminal case na yung bata, okay? Ang ginawa ng tatay po, naghanap siya ng isang bato. Out of nowhere, lumabas siya sa kanilang bahay, naghanap siya ng ordinaryong bato. Okay? And then yung bato na yon, every time na hinahawakan ng tatay yung bato na yon, he is feeling something wonderful. He is feeling something extraordinary. And every time na hinahawakan ng father yung bato na yon, ipinagpipray niya, ipinapanalangin niya, or wini-wish niya na gumaling na at makarecover yung kanyang anak mula sa terminal case, kung ano man yung sakit niya na yon. Okay. Now guys, ito po ang nangyari. Out of nowhere, out of something, every time na hinahawakan ng father yung kanyang gratitude rock, yung kanyang anak na malapit nang mamatay, kinikilabutan po ako dito, miraculously made a recovery. Gumaling yung bata. And because of that, simula noon, many people who are proven successful, katulad ko po ngayon, kay maraming tao who are proven successful, katulad ko po, uses a gratitude rock to remind me the awesome power of gratitude to change my life forever. Mapapansin nyo po, meron silang tinatawag na something like agimat, diba? Si Ramon Revilla may agimat. Well, supposed to be Ramon Revilla, parang fiction lang po yun. But then the point is this, yung mga successful na tao po, okay? Ito po yung isang revelation ko po sa inyong gabi na to. Tanungin nyo po yung mga successful na taong kilala nyo. they have something in their possession that they are considering it to be something like magical. At yun na nga po, yung example, yung gratitude rock. Okay? And ako po, may hawak po akong gratitude rock to remind me of the awesome power of gratitude that have changed my life forever. Many people, hindi lang po ako, uses this rock for money, for healing purposes, and for happiness. Okay? Pansinin niyo po wag na tayong lumayo. Even Lord Jesus Christ, before He performed a miracle, He picked up a mud and spread it over the eyes of a blind person, and then light came back at nakakita na po yung tao na yon. Bago pagaligin ni Jesus Christ yung isang taong bulag, ang ginawa ni Jesus Christ, kumuha siya ng alabok mula sa lupa at ginawa niya tong putik, okay, naging putik, at ipinahid niya. Okay? He has something from the ground, physical from the ground, that he uses in order to heal a sick person, specifically a blind person, at nakakita po ito. And then Jesus, after performing the miracle, said the magic words, "Thank you." Diba? Naalala niyo po sa magical practice number 1 natin, before you do something and after you do something, you have to say the magic words. And these magic words are 2 words. Thank you. So, before pong mag-perform ng miracle ni Jesus Christ, kumuha po siya ng putik, ipinahid niya sa mata ng taong bulag, and right after that, nakakita miraculously yung taong hindi nakakakita. And after na mapakita or mapagaling ni Jesus Christ yung taong bulag, ang sinunod niyang gumawa ay nagpasalamat po siya, and he said, "Thank you." Okay. Now, the magic rock is physically something you can feel. Okay? Or something you can see physically, so that this something will remind you daily of the power of gratitude. Okay? Yan po ang purpose ng magic rock. Okay? Magic rock is a physical reminder that you have to do or to wish for something that you want to have. Every time na makikita mo po, kasi ako po, every time na makikita ko po yung magic rock na yan, nare-remind ako dun sa ginagawa ko. It is a physical reminder, it is a physical sign that you have to hold on, or that you have to hold in your hands in order for you to remind about the awesome power of gratitude. Kasi makakalimutin po ang isipan ng tao eh. Pag hindi nakikita, pag hindi nararamdaman, pag hindi nahawakan, madali pong makalimutan. So the purpose of the magical rock is to remind you of something about the awesome power of gratitude. Now guys, ganito po ang gagawin ninyo sa magical practice number 2. Okay? Bago ko po sabihin yan, listen first to this music.
Within each heart there lies a magic spark that lights the fire of our imagination. And since the dawn of man, the strength of just I can has brought together people of all nations. There's nothing ordinary in of each day. There's a special part every one of us will play. Feel the flame forever burn, teaching lessons we must learn to bring us closer to the power of the dream. As the world gives us its best to stand apart from all the rest, it is the power of the dream that brings us here.
Now guys, kilala niyo po ba yung umaawit na yan? She is Celine Dion. Now, gustong gusto ko pong pinapakinggan yung kanta na yan because it reminds me of my dream. Okay? Do you know that you are all powerful beings? Na may kapangyarihan po ang bawat isa sa inyo. Na katulad nyo po, katulad ko at katulad nyo, meron tayong tinatawag na internal energy that is always present to all of us. In all of us. Now, the only way for us to use that power that is inside of us or nasa katawan natin na pinanganak pa lang tayo, meron na tayo, is through the use of physical things. Okay? Yun nga po yung mga bagay physically na makikita mo sa paligid mo. And here's what you have to do in order to find your magic rock or your gratitude rock. Ready ka na ba? Una, first, find a rock or stone. Yun lang makikita mo na unang makikita mo pag naghanap ka, yun po ang piliin mo agad. Choose a small size that fits in the palm of your hand and that you can close your finger around. Ang pipiliin mong magic rock, yung bagay or yung rock or yung bato na pag inilagay mo sa kamay mo, pwede mong isara yung kamay mo at mapapasok sa loob or mahahawakan mo ng buong buo yung magic rock mo na yon. Okay? Mamili ka po ng smooth at hindi magaspang at walang matalim na gilid. Find a rock that is smooth, hindi po magaspang at hindi matalim o hindi matalas yung mga gilid para hindi ka masugat pag hinawakan mo. Yung pong hindi masyado mabigat para hindi ka mangawit. Yung sakto lang ang timbang. Find a rock or stone that feels really good when you hold it. Paano mo malalaman kung yung palang bagay na yon pag hinawakan mo ay yun na pala ang magic rock mo? Simple lang. When you find a rock that is smooth, nakasya sa mga palad mo, pag isinara mo yung kamay mo, mahahawakan mo ng buong buo, and you close your eyes, mararamdaman mo po, tatayo yung balahibo mo, kakaibang feeling, unexplainable feeling, at masasabi mo sa sarili mong, yes, this is it. This is my magic rock. Okay? Saan mo siya mahahanap? Ituturo ko po mamaya. Pero meron akong reminder sa'yo. Huwag mong bibilin. Okay? Do not buy your magic rock. Hindi pwedeng bilin ang magic rock. You have to look for it. Okay? Nandyan po siya sa paligid mo ngayon. Kumikinang. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung energy. Paano mo malalaman kung saan ito hahanapin? Iga-guide ka po ng iyong sense. Iga-guide ka po ng iyong spirit. Iga-guide ka po ng power sa loob ng katawan mo. Okay? You just believe. But, hindi mo kailangan bilin yung magic rock. Saan mo makikita? It may be in your garden, kung may garden ka man, or you could find it in the river nearest to you, or sa ilog na malapit sa'yo. Or, you may actually have one inside, sa loob ng bahay ninyo. Hanapin mo lang po ito. Look for it. Ulitin ko po, do not buy, just find. Kapag nakita mo na ang iyong magic rock, put it by your bedside. Okay? Kapag nakita mo na po yung iyong magic rock, itabi mo po ito sa iyong higaan, sa may ulunan mo, na you'll definitely see it when you go to bed and when you get out from the bed. Okay? Ilagay mo yung magic rock sa ulunan mo or sa paanan mo or sa gilid ng higaan mo na pag bago ka matulog, makikita mo agad siya at pagising mo sa umaga, makikita mo siya. Kung may alarm clock ka, or meron, siyempre may mga cellphone naman po kayo na may alarm clock ngayon, put your magic rock sa tabing ito. Okay? Sa tabi ng magic rock mo or sa tabi ng cellphone mo, yung magic rock mo. Okay? Bakit sa tabi ng cellphone mo? Di ba usually ang ginagawa natin pag umaga, pagising mo, kung itinatabi mo yung cellphone mo sa higaan mo, ang una mong hinahawakan, ang una mong hinahanap yung cellphone mo. So, through that practice, hindi po mawawala yung magic rock mo. Now, here is what you have to do. Tonight, just before you go to your bed, before you go to sleep, hawakan mo ang iyong magic rock kapag nakita mo na siya. Okay? After mong pakinggan itong magical practice number 2, lumabas ka na. Huwag mong patatagalin ang 12 hours because yung blessing po na ibinibigay ko sa inyo, yung magical practice na to, mawawala ng bisa, mawawala ng saysay. So before 12 hours after mong mapakinggan itong audio file na to, dapat makita mo na yung magic rock mo. At pag nakita mo na yung magic rock mo o yung gratitude rock mo, just before you go to your bed, before you go to sleep tonight, hawakan mo ang iyong magic rock. Hold it with 2 hands. Okay? Para ka nagpe-pray, i-close mo yung kamay mo, pagdikitin mo yung kamay mo at ilagay mo sa loob ng 2 palad mo ang magic rock na to. Okay? And then close your eyes. Hold it in your palm with 2 hands just like you are praying. Close your fingers around it. Balutin mo po ng mga daliri mo yung magic rock. Okay? As if parang hawak-hawak mo yung magic rock. Parang nagwi-wish ka upon a star. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo po, pag nakita mo na yung magic rock mo, hawakan mo siya ng 2 kamay mo, and after that, isarado mo yung mga mata mo, at huminga ka ng malalim. Just before you go to sleep, bago ka matulog, hold your magic rock, at isipin mo, at pagmuni-munian ang lahat ng magagandang bagay na nangyari sa'yo sa loob ng buong maghapon. At hanapin mo ang lahat ng mga best things na nangyari sa'yo at nakuha mo during the day. Ito yung mga bagay po, ito yung mga best things, ito yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat mong ipagpasalamat. And then, pag naisip mo na, pag nahanap mo na yung best, when we say best, maraming magagandang bagay syempreng nangyari sa'yo sa maghapon. Tama ba? Pero, hanapin mo lang yung top, yung pinaka, the best things that happens to you during the day. At pagkatapos mong maisip, maalala, or makita, or mapagmuni-munian, yung mga best things na nangyari sa iyo during the day, say the magic words, thank you for the best things that happened to your life during the day. So, kunwari, may blessing ka o may pinaka-best na nangyari sa iyo ngayong maghapon. Okay? And you made yourself happy or sumaya ka. Then, after mo maisip yun, kahit sa isipan lang, or pwede rin sa salita, sabihin mo po yung magic word na thank you. Pagkatapos, return the magic rock to your bed, and that's it. Tulog ka na. Okay? Pansinin mo guys, every night, for the next 26 days, you have to follow the same magic rock practice. Okay? For the next 26 days, kasi kahit yari na yung training natin ng 15 days, you have to follow this MP number 2 for the next 26 days pa. Okay? Bakit kinakailangan dire-diretso? Okay, hindi lang 15 days, pero yung habit, don't be confused ha. Huwag po kayong ma-confuse. For the next 15 days, dapat tuloy-tuloy yung pag-practice natin ng mga MP. Pero yung paggamit mo ng magic rock, tuloy-tuloy for the next 26 days. Now, after ng 26 days, pwede mo siyang ituloy-tuloy as much as you want, as often as you want. Okay? Bago ka matulog, think back through the day and find the best things that happened during that day. Basta everyday na gagawin mo, hahawakan mo yung magic rock. Okay? Everyday na gagawin mo, hahawakan mo yung magic rock. Pagkatapos, habang hawak-hawak mo yung magic rock na yun, iisipin mo, isasara mo yung, i-close mo yung eyes mo, at iisipin mo yung mga best things na nangyari sa'yo during the day. Okay? Bago ka matulog, think back through the day and find the best thing that happened during that day. At habang hawak-hawak mo ang iyong magic rock, be grateful intensely as possible and say thank you. Now, kung mapapansin nyo po guys, using this rock seems to be a simple thing to do. But through this practice, you will see magical things begin to happen to you. It is not the rock. It is you holding it that will bring magic to your life. Pansinin nyo po baka mamaya yung iba, uy, ding, ang bato, nilunok. Diba? Last lesson, last level namin ang ginawa, ding, ang bato, darna. Hindi po ganun. Okay? Hindi yung magic rock ang magbibigay ng mga amazing things in your life. Hindi po yung magic rock ang magbibigay sa iyo ng dream house mo, or dream car mo, or dream income mo, or Prince Charming, or Sleeping Beauty mo. No. Kundi, yung magic rock po, the way you hold it, the way you believe on it, and the way you whisper on it, it is you that is holding that rock that will bring magic to your life. Pansinin mo guys, sa paghahanap mo sa pinaka-best thing, diba? Habang nag-iisip ka, ano ba yung nangyari sa akin na best thing ngayong maghapon na to? Okay, kakalkalin mo yan mula gumising ka ng umaga, hanggang mag-toothbrush ka, hanggang paglabas mo ng bahay, yung unang taong nakasalubong mo, pumasok ka sa opisina, okay, kung nag-opisina ka man, or kung OFW ka man, or domestic helper sa Hong Kong, ano yung nangyari sa loob ng bahay na pinagtatrabahuhan mo? As you look through the day to find the best thing that happened to your life, you will search through many good things that happened in the process of searching, and then deciding, ano ba talaga yung the best one dito? Diba? Hindi lang kasi isa yung nangyari sa yung best eh. During the day, napakaraming nangyari sa'yo or mangyayari sa'yo. Pero habang hinahanap mo, ano ba yung pinaka-best? Kasi ang ipinapahanap lang ng Magic Rock Practice number, ng MP Magical Practice number 2 or the Magic Rock is yung mga best things na nangyari sa buhay mo. So habang hinahanap mo yung mga best things na yon, mapapansin mo maraming good things. If not the best, there are so many good things that had happened to you during the day. And in the process of searching those good things that had happened to you during the day, you begin to decide which actually is the best one, that is the best things or thing na nangyari sa iyong buhay mo. You are actually thinking of many things you are grateful. Habang iniisip mo kung ano ba yung mga best thing na nangyari sa buhay mo during the day, sa maghapon, nagsisimula ka pong i-appreciate. Nagsisimula ka kang i-amplify yung pagiging grateful mo. Nagsisimula mong gamitin yung APG. Nagsisimula mong gamitin yung first law, which is like attracts like. Ano yung nangyayari sa'yo? Nagiging grateful ka. The more you become grateful, the more you become mapagpasalamat, mas marami kang nakikitang mga bagay na karapat dapat ipagpasalamat. Tumatayo na naman po yung balahibo ko habang nagsasalita. Anong point ko guys? Pag napansin mo itong bagay na to, blessed ka, then maghahanap ka na naman ng isang blessing, maghahanap ka uli ng isang blessing, you're actually counting your blessings. And when you are counting your blessings, you begin to attract things that you are going to be grateful soon. Habang binibilang mo yung mga blessings na nagkaroon ka sa maghapon, nag-uumpisa ka naman ngayong umakit or mangakit na mga bagay na ipagpapasalamat mo again soon. Do you get what I mean? And through this practice, guys, ladies and gentlemen, habang hinahanap mo yung best things na nangyari sa'yo during the day, you will also be ensuring that you go to sleep and wake up in a gratitude each day, every day. Pansinin niyo po yung masasamang gising sa umaga. Yung mga pangit ang gising, yung hindi maganda ang gising, yung mga nakasimangot. Kasi natulog sila na hindi maganda. Yung masusukal ang muka, yung mga nakasimalmal ang pagmumuka sa umaga, pansinin niyo po anong dahilan. Kasi natulog sila sa gabi nang nakasimalmal ang kanilang pagmumuka. Yung mga nabubwisit sa umaga sa araw, yung mga masusungit, yung mga kulutang noo, kulutang muka, parang nilamukot ng tinaihan ng 37 pusa. Diba ang mukha, nakaamoy ng tae ng 37 pusa, forgive my word. Sila po yung natulog sa gabi nang hindi mabuti ang pakiramdam. Bakit hindi mabuti ang pakiramdam nila kaya sila natulog sa gabi? Because they are counting their troubles instead of their blessings. Nakuha nyo po? They are counting their troubles before they go to sleep the other night. So when they wake up, pagising nila sa umaga, kala nila mawawala ang problema, itutulog mo lang? No way! Eh dahil dala-dala nila hanggang higaan ng problema, dahil dala-dala nila hanggang sa pagtulog yung mga bagay na hindi magandang nangyari sa kanila, napilit pa nilang kinakalkal, iniisip, at binubuting-ting, paggising nila sa umaga, dala-dala pa rin nila ang problema. That's why they're not grateful. Remember, likes attracts like. The more you are grateful, the more things you receive that you are going to be grateful with. And the more you make kalkal of the things na not so good na nangyari sa iyo sa maghapon, kinabukasan dalan-dala mo pa rin yan. So the best way for you to do is to use your magic rock at ang instead na kakalkalin mo yung troubles mo, ang hahanapin mo po yung mga blessings na nangyari sa iyo sa loob ng maghapon for which you will be ensuring yourself that you will be sleeping with happy thoughts, that you will be sleeping blessed, and that you will be sleeping with the power of gratitude. So that the next day when you wake up, paggising mo sa umaga, dala-dala mo pa rin ang magandang pagtulog mo nung nakaraang gabi. When you do this every day, pansinin niyo po guys, kasabay ng pagtayo ng balahibo ko po habang nakikinig ka ngayon, habang pinapansin mo po ang salita ko ngayon. When you do this every day, you will make sure that gratitude will not leave your body. And when gratitude is always in your body, you are carrying the magic everywhere, every time ka pumunta. When you do this every day, you fill your life with magic every day. And the more grateful you are, the more magical it will be. Mas madami kang makitang magandang blessing, mas madami kang makitang best things. For sure, makikita mo maraming blessings kasi hahanapin mo yung pinaka-best eh. Pag may naisip kang isa, oy, best to. Pero maya-maya may naisip ka, hindi pala ito ang best. Maya-maya may naisip ka, hindi pala yan. Nakakadalawa ka na, ito pala ang best. Maya-maya hindi, nakaka-232 ka ng blessings, hindi pa natatapos kasi naghahanap ka ng pinaka-best. Nagigets niyo po yung point ko? The more grateful you are, the more magical it will be. Guys, look at this. Magical practice number 2, the magic rock will ensure that you begin and end your days in a state of gratitude. Ang galing, di ba? Magical practice number 2, sisiguraduhin na to na uumpisahan mo ang araw mo na punong-puno ng blessing at pagpapasalamat at tatapusin mo rin ang araw mo, matutulog ka sa gabi na punong-puno ng blessings at pagpapasalamat. In that way, magic will be in your possession 24/7, 12 years a year, 12 months a year, every day of the week or of the year. In fact, this is so powerful that it would change your life in a few months. Magulat ka po. This is so powerful, magic practice number 2 is so powerful that it would change your life in a few months. Yung iba po, weeks lang eh. Actually, ako po, nung ginawa ko to, weeks lang. In less than 42 days, actually. I'm sorry, 43 days. It has done to me magical things. Pero depende po ito sa lalim at intensity ng iyong commitment at level ng gratitude sa puso mo. Mas marami ka makikitang things that you have to be grateful with or many things that you are blessed with, mas lalakas po yung power ng gratitude. Because gratitude is magnetic and attracts more things to be grateful for. For the concentration of gratitude over 15 days at pag itinuloy mo pa hanggang 26 days and so on and so forth every day, gratitude will intensify the magnetic force that is within inside of you. Ang maaakit mo yung mga bagay na ipagpapasalamat mo. Ang ma-attract mo yung mga positive things, yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat ipagpasalamat dahil punong-puno ng gratitude. Okay, your body is like an empty vessel. Walang laman. Kapag pinuno mo yan ng troubles, kapag pinuno mo yan ng anxieties, pag pinuno mo yan ng mga negatives at mga hindi magagandang bagay, aakitin yan yung mga negative sa paligid mo. You are a magnet. Isa ka pong bato-balani. Mamili ka kung ano yung gusto mong inaakit. Mamili ka kung ano yung gusto mong ina-attract. Likes attract likes. Universal law number 1. So pag punong-puno ka ng negative sa katawan, pag punong-puno ka ng mga alalahanin sa katawan, ng worries, ng pain, ng depression, etc., etc., resentment, sama ng loob, then you will attract more of those things to come to your life. Tama ba? So, balik ta rin natin ang sitwasyon. Instead na mapuno ka ng karimari-marin na problema sa katawan, why not ang gawin mo, bilangin mo yung blessings. Why not ang gawin mo, bilangin mo yung mga bagay na dapat mo ipagpasalamat. Why not look for the best things that had happened to you during the day. And you'll see, magical things will happen to you immediately. Because you are a magnetic force. You attract things that you like. Tama? Pag pangit at hindi mo gustong mangyari, wag mo nang akitin. Wag mo nang tawagin. Sinong gusto sa inyo ngayon na punong-puno ng problema? Sinong gusto sa inyong punong-puno ng tagihawat? Sinong gusto niyo sa inyong punong-puno ng mga kapangitan, mga hindi magandang bagay na nangyayari sa isip nila at sa buhay nila? Di ba wala? Therefore, you stop thinking of those things immediately right now. Gusto mong yumaman? Therefore, from the moment na matapos mo yung pakinggan itong magic practice number 2, you start thinking how to become rich. Ang iisipin mo, ang gagawin mo, ang ikikilos mo ay dapat nakatono tungo sa pagyaman. Gusto mong gumanda, mula ngayon sa oras na to, dapat ang ikikilos mo, ang gagawin mo, nakatono sa pagpapaganda. Gusto mong sumeksi, mula ngayon, dapat ang iisipin mo, ang gagawin mo, ang i-entertain mong mga bagay, yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuha. Ayaw mo na nga makuha, pinag-uusapan pa. Ayaw mo na nga mangyari sa buhay mo, pinapanood mo pa. Ayaw mo na nga ma-experience sa buhay mo, isinishare mo pa at nilalike mo pa. You see, ladies and gentlemen, that's the logic. Likes attract likes. And in order for you to attract more blessings to come to your life, you have to always speak of it. You have to always think of it. You have to always practice counting your blessings. And the more you count your blessings, the more blessings will come to your life, whether you like it or else. When you have a strong magnetic force of gratitude, like magic, you automatically magnetize everything you want and you need, at kabilang na dito yung mga leaders na gusto mo, yung malaking laman ng bank account na gusto mo, at yung buhay na pinapangarap mo at gusto mo. Do not think of those things na ayaw mong mangyari sa'yo. Do not think of those people na ayaw mong makasama. And do not think of the life that you don't want to happen to you. Rather, ang iisipin mo, ang gagawin mo, ang sasambitin ng bibig mo, at palaging ipapractice ng pamumuhay mo at pananalita mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong akitin papalapit sa'yo. That is the essence of magical practice number 2. Hello guys, nandiyan ka pa ba? I'm sure nandiyan ka pa. Sa tono ng musika na to, gusto ko pong sabayan mo ko. Gagawin natin ang magical practice number 2. Sa magical practice number 2, first that you have to do, balikan mo yung magical practice number 1. Count your blessings at ulitin mo ang step 1 to 3 sa magical practice number 1. Gumawa ka ng listahan ng 10 blessing na na-receive mo ngayong maghapon. And write or isulat mo bakit ka nagpapasalamat sa blessing na yon. Basahin mo yung listahan at sa dulo ng bawat blessing, say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you. Number 2, pagkatapos mong pakinggan ang audio file na to, maghanap ka ng magic rock at ilagay mo sa tabi ng iyong tulugan o ng iyong kama. Bago ka matulog mamayang gabi or kung anong oras ka mang natutulog, hold your magic rock and think of the best thing that had happened to you today. Isipin mo, kalkalin mo mula pagising mo sa umaga, paglabas mo ng bahay, pagpunta mo sa trabaho mo, hanggang makauwi ka, hanggang dyan sa higaan mo. Buong maghapon na nangyari sa'yo, balik tanawan mo at hanapin mo yung mga best things or yung pinaka-best na nangyari sa buhay mo ngayong maghapon. At kapag nakita mo na to, say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you for the best thing that had happened to you today. And then repeat magical practice number 2 mula ngayong araw na to for the next 15 days at isagad mo hanggang sa susunod na 26 days, and so on and so forth. That's all for today, guys. Ang sarap ng feeling, di ba? Ang sarap ng feeling na malaman mong ang daming blessings sa buhay mo. Ang sarap ng feeling na malaman mong bukod ka palang pinagpala. Ang sarap ng feeling nang hindi lang pala ikaw ang nasa ganyang sitwasyon sa buhay mo ngayon. Marami pang mas worse, marami pang mas malala. At pag nakita mo na ang magical practice number na to, number 2, at pag nagawa mo na at nahanap mo na ang iyong magical rock, do this practice every day. And soon, you will receive, ultimately, you will receive the awesome power of gratitude. Tandaan mo po ang universal law, likes attract likes. Umpisahan mo nang akitin yung mga bagay na gusto mong maramdaman at makuha sa buhay mo. At kalimutan, iwaksi sa isipan yung mga bagay na ayaw mong maramdaman at taglayin sa buhay mo. Good morning, guys. I am so blessed to have you, and I am so thankful that you are part of my life in the EIHO. Good morning, maraming salamat, and may God bless you all.